You have the ticket?
30 บาท
30 baht, one, 40 baht for one ticket. Okay. The boat is here already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. มีไอคอนด้วยนะครับผม I would like to prefer to go the icon.
So this boat goes to,
We drop. Hop on, hop off.
and the stop is called?
Huh?
What's the stop called? The drop-off
Wang
stop.
Lang
Wang Lang Market. Okay.
Oh, really nice.
Yeah, good weather. Perfect timing. Okay. Is that the back? Yeah. Sabai sabai. Say sabai sabai to my audience.
สบาย
Sabai sabai to Kun. Oh, the boat has started. We're at Saphan Taksin. We're going to Wang Lang Market, which is a market that I have never been. And it's a very authentic market, right?
Yes.
Local authentic market with my friend Kun Nat. So we're taking the boat there. We came from Taksin Pier. Very easy to come. You just grab the BTS Taksin, and it's 30 baht boat ticket to go to Wang Lang. So I heard many good food in Wang Lang. It's a very non-touristic market, right? You're not bringing me to tourist market. Oh, look at this very nice boat, air conditioning. The weather is super nice. You get to cross the Chao Phraya River. Hiu mai? Are you hungry?
No, I just had breakfast.
ผมหิว อาหารมาแล้ว Is that what you said? อาหารมาแล้ว ผมหิวข้าวแล้ว อาหารมาแล้ว
I'm so excited, yeah, I'm all fired up, and I ain't gonna stop. I won't fight it, I'm going right to the top. Yes, I know what I got is one in a million, like a dream come true, just to be with you.
Okay, we arrived Wang Lang. Here we are. She said this way, not.
Okay, that's
She said this way. So here we are at Wang Lang, and
พรานก not วังหลัง พรานเนี่ย this is the พรานก
Pranok.
Wang Lang.
Wang Lang is over there.
Yeah.
I think
Wang
different
Lang.
boats.
Yeah.
Anyway, Pranok after the Grand Palace.
Yeah.
The stop is after the Grand Palace. I will say a little bit about Wang Lang because the word Wang Lang means at the rear end. Because in the old day, this was like
What you said? Okay?
this market is like the rear end of the palace that King Rama III built. So Wang Lang means at the rear end. The market now caters for the staff at Siri Raj, which is the biggest hospital in all of Thailand. Hundreds, thousands of people work there. But then they go to Wang Lang for their food. So it's mainly catered for working class people, Wang Lang. Now it's about 9:30, so that's kind of the right time to come because people come here for lunch. Especially, I told you, the Siri Raj Hospital staff. When they break for lunch, this place will be super crowded. And I've seen so many things I have not seen elsewhere in other markets. There are really a lot of stuff I haven't seen elsewhere. It's a very small market, you say?
Yes.
Compared to other market in
Yeah.
Bangkok. But it's big enough. I mean, we're still walking from the piers. It's already like 15 minutes. We're still walking. What I want.
Huh? Are you sure?
First thing I want to eat is this special Gui Chai. Come on. right here. And this is a special Gui Chai, and Gui Chai is of course chai. It's their main ingredient, and they fried it. They fried it like this. I'm just struggling with logistics. So it looks like cake. Oh my god, it's still very hot. And I'm gonna dip it in this sweet sauce. So this is vegetarian, no meat. And this is 60 baht, right? 60 baht. It's super crunchy. It's chewy enough, but it's not hard enough. Very crunchy. This is it, Gui Chai. They have Thai Gui also. All sorts of that they make from turnip and chives. Oh, this place I like. And then they spin it in this container to like let the oil out. But it's very deep fried, but it's very delicious. Aroy, aroy.
อ๋อแต่นี่มันคนละตัวกันใช่ไหมฮะนี่แบบ
This is it. This is it. อร่อยมากอร่อยมาก
อ่อนเลยโอเคอ๋อข้าวโพด
ใช่
ข้าวโพดหนึ่ง
ข้าวโพด is corn
เนี่ย
ข้าวโพด
แล้วก็ลองนี่ไหมฟรายไหม
ใช่
ขนมถัง
ว่า
แตก
อย่า one corn and one
อ้าว
ไป
แตกป้าติ๋มวังหลัง
ขนม
ถังแตก
ผังแตก
ป้าติ๋มวัง
ปัก
หลัง
ติมวังหลังขนมปักติมวังหลัง I just said ขนมวังหลัง can right it's in front of the bank see right for the ขนมวังor วังหลัง and ขนมวัง I had a lot but this fancy I have not look at that ขนมวังวังหลัง and inside I think it's shredded
This we call coconut
shredded coconut มะพร้าว shredded coconut and it's so special look at that
we call ถังแตก
ถังแต่
ขนมถังแตก
ขนมถังแต่different because it's very fluffy and it's like really quite a mouthful oh. It's sweet the shredded are very fat look at that it's not thinly shred but very fat and I think sesame black sesame very good oh very fluffy very good they are very famous for their corn khanom buang and this is it let me show you it's very difficult to pull out but look at this khanom buang with corn oh if you like corn this is it 25 25 baht right 25 baht it's amazing dessert oh Khanom Buang Wang Lang it's in front of this Kasikorn Thai ATM look for the green ATM สีเขียว look for the green ATM and they're right here I feel like Thai dessert we don't really get a lot of Thai dessert back home and we get like very very small range of it, but here is the full orchestra. Khanom Tuay, and very, very, very similar to our Kueh Talam back home. This whole thing, 40 baht.
45
45? This whole thing 45 mix. We order mix. So this is 45 baht and very, very, very heavy coconut flavor. Oh, their santan is so different from ours. It's very moist santan. Come on. Good, right? The walkway is literally only one person to pass, and I don't know how they do business with just one walkway and so narrow, and plus they can have a store here and a walkway on the right hand side. It's just how they squeeze things is really incredible. Amazing pork noodle they serve.
เครื่องปรุง
Huang Krem Pong. อร่อยมาก And this place is so busy. Pork noodle. We missed the popia. This place looks nice. Nice. So this cafe is called Sawong at Wang Lang. It's an organic coffee, so which means no trans fats, no chemical, and it's right across from the dessert shop. And I just found this cafe really charming with all these nostalgic commercial stuff here in Thailand. Of course, I've never lived in Thailand in the 80s, but it's full of the collections of all these nostalgic and everyday life consumer stuff. But very interesting, charming, rustic cafe that you feel nostalgic on. Wow.
my favorite shop the same
Wow. Ah. Ma. Nutella milkshake, Ferrero milkshake. Oh my god, this is so high calorie. Look at the waffle. Order your favorite, we share. We just landed at this incredible dessert shop filled with super high calorie waffle dessert ice cream. And this is very local business. Not say this is his favorite shop for dessert, but look at this shop. It's just filled with the menus itself is so enticing, and two cute dogs also to greet us. I don't know what I'm gonna order, but we'll try something. Just a ชื่ออะไรนะ ถุงออง ร่ำรวยอายุพี่2 ปี
Which one?
2 years
No. Which one
for 5 years
Which one? 16
16อ๋อเก็ตแล้ว 16 It's so cute น่ารัก
7 years.
น่ารัก
Child, very fair.
เข้าไหมฮะ
Very fair นะ He doesn't like stranger.
Okay what kind of ice cream you like
Strawberry.
And?
Strawberry. And one more choice?
yeah
Vanilla.
vanilla
Vanilla. Oh, look at all this collection.
ครับออเดอร์เดียวนะครับขอบคุณครับ
Wow, มหัศจรรย์ Oh my god. Unbelievable. I know why now this is Nat's favorite shop. I mean, this is 150 baht. Very, very student price. Look at that. Oh, Nat Mahasachan. Let's cut this.
Two flavor, right?
With, and vanilla. Thai people cannot say the V word. Vanilla.
Vanilla.
No, vanilla. So the boss told me this is 12 years already. They have an older shop there, but they moved here. They fought for the permit to be here. So they're here 12 years. It's really, really at the back street. I don't know how to describe, but I'll put a location below. This is full with students after lunch. Because now it's 11 o'clock. Like nobody will eat dessert at 11. So that's why we came in first. Unbelievably frozen. Now tourists usually go to Wat Arun to visit like the most beautiful temple of Bangkok.
This is Wat Rakhang.
But Wat Rakhang here in Wang Lang Market is just as beautiful, and you pay 500 baht in Wat Arun, and this is completely free, and devotees come here daily to pray. Yeah, this is completely free, where else Wat Arun you have to pay. Like for non-Thai you have to pay I feel like it's an obscene amount of money nowadays. I remember when I was a little kid, you used to pay like 10 baht, 20 baht to go to Wat Arun. I heard it's now 200, 400 baht. Crazy. But here in Wat Rakhang, it's completely free. So when you're at Wang Lang and you feel so full and you need to walk through this small street and you will reach Somdet To Memorial. This is the perfect place for a very nice picture because you have the Grand Palace right just over there, and they're building a lot of expensive restaurant over the seashore here. This is prime real estate. I think I only see local here. So beautiful it is. Look at this square. That wraps up my Wang Lang trip here in Wang Lang Market. Open every day. Not said open every day. After that, you can have coffee and take a walk in this square, which is really, really nice. So I'll see you in my next video. Sabai sabai tukun to everyone, and I'll see you in my next video as my adventure here in Bangkok continues. Bye.